not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. If you did not yet subscribe to my channel, please do it now so that you do not miss the important daily updates. I have provided yesterday's PDF link in the description of this video. Anybody who needs it can download it. So let's start. The anti-Sikh riots had broken out in Delhi following the assassination of which Prime Minister of India? Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri or Charan Singh? The answer is B. Indira Gandhi. She was assassinated by her own bodyguards who are from Sikhism. Many people in protest of death of Indira Gandhi created disturbances in the state of Delhi, killed almost 3,000 people who belonged to Sikhism. Now, the main culprits of anti-Sikh riots had been awarded death punishment and life imprisonment by Delhi High Court yesterday. You need to understand the background, what happened in 1980s, how 1984 anti-Sikh riots had took place. The Khalistan movement had been started in 1980s, demanding independence from India. The then Prime Minister of India was Indira Gandhi. Bhindranwale is a pro-Khalistan leader, killed many Hindus, Nirankaris and even Sikhs who opposed Khalistan movement along with his armed militants. Now he took up residence in Golden Temple to evade arrest. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had ordered Operation Blue Star carried out by Indian military on June 1984 to remove the militant religious leaders like Bhindranwale and his armed militants from Golden Temple complex in Amritsar, Punjab. Now Golden Temple is a sacred place for people of Sikhism and many people have been killed in this place due to Operation Blue Star. Now because of this reason, 4 months after the operation on 31st of October 1984, Indira Gandhi was assassinated in revenge by her own 2 Sikh bodyguards, Satwan Singh and Beyan Singh. So after the death of Indira Gandhi, anti-Sikh riots had broken out in Delhi. So this is the information regarding 1984 anti-Sikh riots judgment followed by Operation Blue Star, very important topic from exam point of view. Let us see the operations carried out by Government of India so far, very important from exam point of view. Now one expected question from this area, so you need to know all the important operations. Operation Polo, the police action on Hyderabad in 1948. Now after this Operation Polo, the state of Hyderabad was integrated into Union of India. Remember, Hyderabad was the last state to integrate with Union of India. Operation Cactus, we have discussed it earlier. Recently, the 30th anniversary of Operation Cactus was observed. India helped Maldives to fight against insurgents. Operation Buddha, India successfully tested its first nuclear bomb. Operation Vijay, Indian military annexed the Portugal territories, that is Goa. Operation Blue Star, we have discussed it. Indian military operation to remove militants from Golden Temple. So if you feel my videos are very helpful to you all, please do subscribe to my channel and mention your views in the comment section. And please click the like button and share my videos so that it will be useful for everyone who cannot afford coaching. Who is the second woman to serve Ministry of External Affairs in India? Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Sushma Swaraj, Nirmala Sitharaman. The answer is C. Sushma Swaraj. She is the second woman to serve the Ministry of External Affairs in India. Then who is the first woman? The first woman was Indira Gandhi. Now this is an article which says that Sushma Swaraj won't contest 2019 Lok Sabha polls due to her health issues. She had kidney problem. Now let us see briefly about Sushma Swaraj. In 2014 general elections, she won from Vidisha constituency, which is in Madhya Pradesh, for second term. She has been elected 7 times as Member of Parliament and 3 times as Member of Legislative Assembly. Now she is one of the dynamic lady of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So this is regarding Sushma Swaraj. India signed $500 million deal with which country to manufacture 2 stealth frigates? Russia, USA, Japan or Germany? The answer is A, Russia. India and Russia to build together the stealth frigates. A frigate is a warship used by Indian Navy. Goa Shipyard Limited of India and Rosoboron Export of Russia had signed the deal for material design and specialist assistant from Russia. Now earlier India had purchased BrahMos missile from Russia. Prime Minister Narendra Modi government promised to double the farmers' income by which year? 2019, 2020, 2021 or 2022? The answer is D, 2022. Now this year is very important because India celebrates its 75th Independence Day and almost all the schemes have been targeted to be completed by the end of 2022. Now recently Agriculture Ministry had released a report which says farmers badly hit due to demonetization. They were unable to buy seeds and fertilizers, and even micro, small, medium enterprises sector has been affected post November 8, 2016. India's 263 million farmers live in cash economy. That means most of the farmers prefer cash economy rather than digital economy. So don't know about doubling the farmers' income by the end of 2022. But because of demonetization effect, farmers' income had been hit out badly. United Nations Framework on Climatic Action Conference of Party 24th edition will take place in which of the following countries? Poland, Argentina, Russia or Paris? The answer is A, Poland. So COP24 2018 will take place in Katowice of Poland from 3rd December to 14 December. The basic nations will push for climatic action in this COP24 edition. You need to remember the list of basic nations, which includes Brazil, South Africa, India and China. They have been formed by an agreement on 28th of November 2009. Now in this COP24, they will remind for developed countries to fund on climate action and to take steps to limit global warming to less than 2 degrees centigrade. Which country filmmaker received Lifetime Achievement Award at International Film Festival of India 2018? Israel, China, Russia or USA? The answer is A, Israel. Israel bags Lifetime Achievement Award. Now yesterday we have discussed the country of focus for IFFI 2018 was Israel. The Israeli director Dan Wolman had received Lifetime Achievement Award in 49th edition of International Film Festival. So this is it for today. I hope everyone is preparing thoroughly for the coming exams. Always have I can attitude. You will succeed one day. Do not forget to mention your views in the comment section. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.